September 21st, 22. We're here at the vessel Delia. She was cleaned last Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm here to just do a QC and look at the zinc. I think the prop nut zinc needs to be replaced. Got a caliper if so we can get some measurements and get that on the schedule. Let's take a look. Quite a bit of touch-up to do. Not terrible, especially for somebody being trained and new. I'm going to go ahead and finish touching her up while I'm here. I'm going to swim the starboard side one more time, and then I'm going to swim up the port.